Hey everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to add a beautiful background to your design using Canva, updated for 2025. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to enhance your visuals with custom backgrounds, which is perfect for brand boards, social media posts, presentations, basically anywhere you want your work to stand out and look polished. Whether you're brand new to Canva or just looking to level up your design skills, stick with me as I guide you step by step. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to Canva. You can do this by opening up your web browser, Chrome, Safari, Edge, whatever you like, and simply typing Canva into your address bar. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, it only takes a moment to sign up, and there's a free version that works great for what we're doing today. Once you're on Canva's homepage, look for that bright purple Create button at the top right corner of your screen. Give it a click. This opens up a menu with a bunch of options. Now, Canva offers all sorts of templates, but for this walkthrough, we're going to focus on the photo editor. So go ahead and click on Photo Editor. If you don't see it right away, you can use the search bar at the top of the menu to find it quicker. Just start typing Photo Editor and it should pop up. Now we're going to design a brand board. In the search bar of the photo editor, simply type brand board and select it when it appears. A brand board is a neat way to organize your fonts, colors, and general style, so it's really helpful for businesses, personal projects, or even content creators who want everything to look cohesive. By starting with a brand board template, you get a head start, no need to arrange everything from scratch. Next, let's spice things up with a backdrop that makes your content pop. Look over to the left-hand side of your screen and find the Elements tab. Go ahead and click that. The Elements section is like the treasure chest of Canva. Here you'll find graphics, shapes, and most importantly for us, backgrounds. In the search bar at the top of the Elements tab, type Gradient Background. Gradients are awesome because they blend two or more colors for a subtle, modern effect that instantly gives your brand board some personality. You'll see a variety of gradient backgrounds appear, different colors, styles, and intensities. Take your time browsing, choose one that catches your eye but also fits the vibe you want for your project. If you're not sure what fits, think about your brand's primary colors or the mood you're going for. For example, a gentle blue and white gradient can feel calming, while a bold orange to pink can give off energetic and creative vibes. Once you've found the perfect background, hover your mouse over it, right-click, and select Set Image as Background. If you're on a Mac and don't have a right mouse button, remember that you can hold down Control while clicking instead. Give it a moment. Sometimes it takes a second for the background to load and fit neatly into your design. No worries if you need to adjust or undo. Canva makes it easy to swap things in and out until it looks just right. And that's it. You've just added a vibrant, eye-catching background to your Canva design. It's a small change with a big impact, making your brand board or any other project look organized and visually stunning. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or what kind of backgrounds you love using in Canva. Make sure to subscribe for more step-by-step design tutorials. I post new ones every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.